In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to find good music on Epidemic Sound. So let's start with the search by video feature. For that, firstly we need to go to Epidemic Sound and sign up here with your account if you don't have one yet. And now under it, go to Discover tab, and here we need to click on search by video option. And now we need to select or drop a video here. So I have this video, I need to select it and then click on open. Now your video will be shown here. Now to get recommendations from Epidemic Sound, we need to click on get recommendations, and then Epidemic Sound will automatically show you some suggestions which you can use for your video. So we just have to wait a bit, and now you can see different types of suggestions are loaded here. Now I can just click on this play icon and it will play the music with your video, and you can see the preview here. Now I have muted the music in my video due to copyright issues, but while I was listening to this music, I found that it is a very perfect suggestion for my video sample, and you can just use this feature to get the perfect suggestions from Epidemic Sound itself. If you want to play another music, then for that click on the play icon and you can play any of the part from here and they will play your video too. And you can adjust the sound levels by going to this sound icon and adjust the slider according to your need. And now if you want to filter it further, then for that you can filter it by mood, genres, duration, vocals, instrument. So you can choose any of the instrument from here and then they will show you the perfect suggestions according to that instrument. So this is the first method, and for the second method we can use the traditional way, which is using search bar. For that, go to the Discover tab and search for any music here like uplifting or piano. So I'm just gonna search here uplifting like so. And when you search for any term, then they will show me the suggestions according to my search term, and you can filter that from here too. Like let's say I want to filter it by key, then I can just select that and now choose the key you want to filter it to, and then they will show you all the suggestions. In case you want to get newest suggestions, then for that click on best match here, or you can click on this drop down arrow and under it you can filter it by popular, newest, low tempo, high tempo. So let's go with newest, and now they will show me all the newest tracks they currently have. Now let's say you like some track and you want to get some similar tracks, then for that just click on the track name like so, and under it we'll see different types of similar tracks which are similar to this particular track. I can see all of them listed here. If you like any of the artist, then for that you can just click on the artist name and then they will show you all the artist creations the artist has created on this platform. Many artists keep a consistent style, so you might find multiple tracks you can use. Or additionally, you can create your own playlist by clicking the add to playlist button to save tracks for different projects like vlogs, tutorials or cinematic videos. In this way you can find your own tracks inside your own playlist. And to download any of the track, just click on the download icon. Here's a quick trick for testing music with your own project before downloading it. Open the track you want to try, but don't download it yet. Play it in a separate browser tab and keep Epidemic Sound running in the background. Then go back to your editing software and preview your project. Use the volume slider on the Epidemic Sound player or your system audio mixer to adjust the music volume so it blends nicely. Once you are happy with the match, download the track and import it into your project, and that's how you can find best music for your project. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.